Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, an umbrella has 12 ribs which are equally spaced as given in the figure. Assuming the umbrella to be a flat circle of radius 24 cm, find the area between the two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. There are 12 ribs in umbrella, which is given here. The area between two consecutive ribs is subtending 360 degree divided by 12, that is 30 degree at the center of assumed flat circle. Area between two consecutive ribs is given by is 30 divided by 360 into pi r square, that is 1 by 12 into 22 by 7 into r square means 24 square, so which is 150.86 square centimeters. Hence, area between two ribs is 150.86 square centimeters. So our correct option is option B.